to him, Ellie Bug.
He drop it?
Oh, thanks. Christopher is 3.5 months. He's playing with his first car. His sister is letting him play with her car.
Yeah, you want to get breakfast, sweetie. Yeah, my turn. And you want something? Sorry. I don't think you need it. You poor baby. I know you want some. I'll tell you what, when I get to.
Oh, he lost it, Ellie. Can you get it for him?
Oh, my goodness.
Hey, Christopher. Hey, buddy. Look up here.
Here you go.
Thanks, Ellie. His sister is going to help him play with the car. Ellie, can you look at Mommy real quick?
Oh.
Cute girl.
It could be the milk.
I can't believe Christopher's playing with this car. Watch out, Ellie. This is November 7th, 2011. So actually, he's almost 4 months. So, good job, Christopher. Good job.